So I'm going to continue talking about non-practicing entities, but now I'm going to talk about how the American Congress is kind of trying to target or fight them. And so recently in 2014, Congress passed the TROL Act, or the Targeting Rogue Opaque Letters Act, to deal with the issue of misleading patent demand letters. And I think this is a good step in regards to trying to fight all the injustices that these non-practicing entities are committing. But the act doesn't seem to have enough teeth to actually stop them from taking advantage of a lot of firms. And so I think a big problem that I've come across through my research is that a lot of non-practicing entities target both larger and smaller firms. And although a big firm like Apple or CBS can afford to go through extensive litigation to prove them wrong, a lot of smaller mom and pop businesses don't. And so a lot of these NPEs take advantage of that. And so I found two really good firms that exemplify just how NPEs take advantage of smaller firms and the fact that they don't have resources to go to trial. So, for instance, I have MPHJ, which sent over 16,000 letters to small businesses in 1 year to demand payment for their use of basic scan-to-email technology. Similarly, Innovatio IP Ventures also delivered over 10,000 letters to different cafe and hotel businesses to demand payment for providing Wi-Fi from them. And innovation even goes as far as to target millions of devices that are already protected by patent licenses. And so this shows how these NPEs really oftentimes break the law, and through the different letters that they send and how they attack other businesses, it's not even legal. And the saddest part, I think, is that a lot of smaller mom and pop stores or smaller firms that don't have a lot of resources, when they get a demand letter, for instance, that says pay $1,000 or be sued, they don't really have much of an option, and they're not informed, they don't know what an NPE is. And so instead of being sued and going to court, they think that it's just simpler to pay the $1,000 fine. And a lot of firms are being robbed in this way. And although I think the TROL Act is a good step in the right direction, I think that there's a lot more that Congress can do to help protect businesses from NPEs and their unfair trolling and greedy schemes.